chairman was in the chair, that the manner of electing two members to fill up casual vacancies to the Joint Parliamentary Committee has to be by a procedure which is recognized by precedent. Now, precedent always in parliamentary committees has been that it is the relative strength of the parties and proportionate representation applies. Either it's election or even if it's a government resolution, it factors in the proportionate representation. For the first time, that has been given a go-by. Now, if it's been given a go-by, and in a resolution of this kind is passed, we have written to you separately also that we would expect the chair to rule on this. Because Parliament is run by rules, by rulings of the chair, and also by other instructions that the chair issues. Because a ruling of this kind coming on record, if the ruling is correct, and we do respect the chair, then let it be a precedent for future. And if the ruling is incorrect, then posterity and history will have an opportunity to correct the error into which we are falling. In our respectful submission, this is not the way in which parliamentary committees or their vacancies are to be filled up by a winner-takes-all principle. And therefore, we will urge you to kindly consider giving a written ruling to this effect so that it becomes a part of parliamentary practice that henceforth committees are to function in this manner and the opposition also knows whether they are going to be represented on these committees or not.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं इस बात की पूरी तरह से तायद करता हूं कि किसी दूसरे के हक पर, चाहे वो पक्ष हो या विपक्ष, किसी के हक पर या अधिकार पर किसी को अतिक्रमण नहीं करना चाहिए। स्थिति क्या थी? इस विवाद से एक गलत मैसेज जा रहा है। मैसेज ऐसे जा रहा है कि जैसे कि सत्ता पक्ष विपक्ष के अधिकार क्षेत्र में अतिक्रमण कर रहा हो। स्थिति क्या थी? इसके पहले जो कमेटी थी उसमें डीएमके जो हमारे एनडीए का ही पार्टनर था, उनका एक मेंबर था, कांग्रेस पार्टी का एक मेंबर था। विभिन्न कारणों से ये दोनों मेंबर रिटायर हुए, उनकी जगह वैकेंसी खाली हुई। उस वैकेंसी में 2 मेंबर्स भरने का सवाल आया। माननीय विपक्ष के नेता ने जो अभी कहा कि प्रोपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन रहना चाहिए, मैं सम्मान करता हूं इस बात का। यूपीए पार्टी, मैं वही कह रहा हूं। तो स्थिति यह है कि जो उनका कहना है कि प्रोपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूं इस बात से। प्रोपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन तब डिस्टर्ब होता अगर वो विपक्ष की सीट होती और फिर सत्ता पक्ष उसे हथियाता, तो ये गलत होता। लेकिन दोनों ही सीटें सत्ता पक्ष के हिस्से की थी और आज भी अगर वो दोनों सीटें बाई सेंस ऑफ हाउस के सेंस से अगर वो दोनों सीटें का इलेक्शन हुआ है तो विपक्ष की संख्या पर कोई विपरीत प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा। जितनी पहले थी उनकी संख्या उतनी आज है और ये कहना गलत है कि सत्ता पक्ष विपक्ष के साथ अन्याय कर रहा है, ये कहना गलत।
ठीक है, ओके, ऑल राइट, यू राइट, योर से। लेट मी, what do you wish to say, Mr.
What he said, there is a factual incorrectness in that because of the 2 members who resigned, 1 member had given a dissent note on the crucial draft report. That changes the whole
not going into all that.
That is why let 2 members who come, they will both.
Please let me respond to the point raised by the honorable leader of opposition. He has written to me. I received the letter last night. I shall be replying to it. Thank you. Question 281.
I have given a notice for suspension of question hour because of the government admitted before the Supreme Court yesterday that large number of files are missing. The Supreme Court, in the court itself, the Supreme Court came down heavily on the government. They went to the extent of saying, is there a bid to destroy coal papers? Supreme Court asked the government. That being the case, nothing is more important than discussing that issue. Earlier also they have tried to avoid discussion in the House. We would like the Prime Minister to come to the House and discuss this very important issue, and then only we can proceed further. Otherwise we will be failing in our responsibility. If there is an incomplete discussion, sir, please, I request you to please give us an opportunity. There was an incomplete discussion. PM was supposed to come to the House.
We never avoided the discussion. Prime Minister, we never avoided the discussion. In fact, Prime Minister was sitting here for 1 hour.
So what?
Sri Prakash Jaiswal came twice, made a statement.
Sri Prakash Jaiswal is
Then Prime Minister
also
was also here.
being
So we never avoided
criticized.
discussion on
Right,
it.
please, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute.
We only want Honorable the Prime Minister to clarify the entire position because he is also the coal minister, sir, kindly appreciate. And the Honorable Supreme Court has also said why FIR has not been instituted. They have not filed the FIR till now about missing document, destruction of evidence. These are serious issues.
No, no,
This is not the order of the court.
just 1 minute, please.
This is not the order of the court. Maybe
So that the
objection.
Honorable Prime Minister spent some minutes in the House that day. The House could not proceed. But that does not mean that the issue has been abandoned. The Prime Minister can always be requested to come back and answer the queries which are in the mind of the opposition. Is the Honorable Minister intending to bring him back or not?
Responding what Venkaya Naidu ji said that we are avoiding the.
So there is an incomplete discussion. Will you complete that or not on the coal files?
No, no, Arunji, yesterday